Hello, me again. So what I'm doing now is calibrating this instrument cluster to 0. So that's about as close as we're going to get it, but I just want to make sure, if I can get it there, that we've got this bang on, because obviously if this cluster is reading under 0, as you're driving along, you could be as much as 5 miles an hour where the cluster is not reading correctly, and you could end up getting a speeding ticket, although your speedo itself said you were doing under the speed. So to do that, we use our little calibration knob here. Press the button down. Let's go to gauge sweep. So let's go back. There we go, gauge sweep. That is perfect. We can also test the LCD that's been replaced. So yeah, orange, green, blue, all the different colors of the rainbow. Chime test as well, so if you want to test the chime like that, you can. Okay, but that's how we calibrate the cluster after it's been repaired. Okay, thank you for watching.